Hello, myself Rajiv, and I'm going to talk about artificial intelligence and mathematics. Now, these two topics they are very well binded to each other. Development of one will always enhance the development of the other one. So let us start our this presentation. We are going to see the definition and the historical development. Now, how the mathematics is used in artificial intelligence. What is the future of this artificial intelligence? What are the concerns and the challenges which are related to the artificial intelligence. Now, let us start with the definition, a proper definition of artificial intelligence. Now, artificial intelligence is a wide ranging branch of science concerned with building smart machine capable of performing the science. There are various branches of AIs, machine learning, game playing, natural language understanding, automated reasoning, theorem proving, modeling human performance, etc. Now, how artificial intelligence and mathematics are related to each other? Now, artificial intelligence is inherently data driven. Data is required to drive the artificial intelligence processes. Now, the goal of AI is to design algorithms to extract information and pattern from the data. Now, you get the data, and then after using the algorithm, the AI will extract the information and also the pattern of this data. The main part of artificial intelligence are machine learning. Now, the mathematical foundation is very vital to understand the fundamental principle upon which more complicated model can be built and create new solution. Now, what kind of mathematics is used in AI? Now, the most important one is the linear algebra, then the calculus, then the statistics. Now, linear algebra and matrices. Now, how these two branches they are related to AI. Now, let us start from a simple image processing. Now, humans are generally able to identify the content of image as our brain has gone through evolution. But for a computer, this task is not easy. And this concept is important area of research in machine learning and computer science. Now consider this image of the Felix cat. Now this consists of a 35 by 35 matrix whose elements are the numbers either 0 or 1. So just using the numbers 0 and 1, we can represent this black and white image of Felix the cat. Now just see this. Just 1 and zeros, they are used to represent this particular image of the cat. Now, in the case of colored image, there are three different matrices now representing the color red, the color green, the color blue, and each matrix have 256 elements. So in this way, a total of 16,777,216 colors can be represented using RGB system. So using operation on matrices, these colored images can be processed in various ways, such as cropping, scaling, shading, and so on. We can just by using this diagram, we can check that how linear algebra is used. So linear algebra uses the data. And if the data is in one-dimensional form, then we use the vector. If it is in two-dimensional form, then we use the matrices. If it is in three-dimensional form, then we use the tensors. Next is natural language processing. NLP is concerned with the interaction between humans and computers. In particular, how to program computers to process and analyze large number of natural language data. Here we describe word to vector technique, that is for NLP. In word to vector represents each distinct word with a particular list of numbers called a vector. Based on W2B, we can apply vector properties for checking the similarity between the vectors. Probability can also be used. Probability theory is incorporated into machine learning, particularly the subsets of artificial intelligence concerned with predicting outcomes and making decisions. There are some functions which are called the activation or the sequencing function, like sigmoid or logistic activation function. The value of sigmoid function exists between 0 and 1. Therefore, it can be specially used for modeling where we have to predict the probability as an output. Now, the future of artificial intelligence. The improvement of AI will make our intelligent system even more intelligent. Our cars will be driven themselves, houses will adjust their electricity uses, robots will be able to diagnose every illness. So, we can say that in the future, some limited functionality technologies can be made more automated, and these are the following, like AI assistants, autonomous payment, autonomous vehicle, teaching robots, etc. Now, we can classify the future of artificial intelligence in three ways, that is, narrow, stronger, or super conscious. In a situation of narrow, perform specific task or language translator, virtual assistant, self driven cars. So, these are the narrow approach which can be developed by the artificial intelligence. Now, in more stronger case, AI can be used to operate on independent and unrelated tasks, learn to solve new problems by themselves. Robots, in this case, the jobs will be at risk. In the last case, that is the super or conscious case, demonstrate intelligence beyond human capabilities. They will be more intelligent than the human race. This situation will be threatening to the human race. So we can say that if AI is developed to such state, then the humanity will be at risk. So we can conclude all of these things like that. So AI and mathematics, they both are branches of the same tree, and the development of one will contribute to the development of the other one. Now, technology has been capable of helping us with tasks since it began. Trustworthy AI or artificial, not artificial, but artificial intelligence will be great benefit for the society. That's why we need to be aware of which task we want to train machines to do in an informed manner. So, thanks to all of you for listening.